Hi, this is 1.Nenetech from nenetech.com. Welcome to the very first tutorial in PHP programming. In today's class, I'll introduce you to what PHP programming language is and some of the cool things you can do with PHP. Alright, the very first thing we need to understand is the meaning of PHP. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. Alright, when we say Hypertext Preprocessor, you realize that the first P is missing. Okay, the first P also stands for PHP, which means personal homepage. This makes PHP a recursive acronym, but by standards we normally say Hypertext Preprocessor. We don't actually bring the first P when we are mentioning Hypertext Preprocessor or the meaning of PHP. Alright, that was just by the way. PHP is actually a server-side scripting language, and is very good and a powerful tool for developing dynamic web pages, a database driven website, and good for some kind of social media websites and all that. A perfect example is Facebook. Facebook also uses PHP very much. Okay, so before we continue, I also like you to understand more things about the PHP. As I already told you, it's a server-side scripting language, and it's used for creating dynamic web pages and all that. So in the subsequent tutorials, we'll learn more things about all that I've already said to you. Okay, if you need more information, you can just go to php.net. This is the personal homepage. You can learn more things from here. You can get some kind of downloads, documentations, and so many other things. I, however, prepared some notes, some lessons on PHP myself, so you can just go to my website, nenetech.com, and then you just come down and click on the web development side and click on PHP. It takes you to wherever I place my PHP notes and all that. So if this is the very first time you're learning programming or something, do not panic. PHP is not too difficult for you to learn. It's very simple and straightforward. You can learn it straight. So if you don't have any understanding of HTML at all, you can still continue and follow along with me, but it will be very helpful if you watch my HTML tutorials and all that before we continue. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next tutorial.